back, everyone. Here with the biggest jump in the league. Diamonds up.
Yeah.
Anyways, welcome back to the 2012-13 BeeHive Basketball Fantasy League. We're doing the lottery draft, so let's just get started. We're going to do 12 through 1. Alright, so I'm going to let this chump do the first pick.
Yeah, alright. This is for the 12th pick, the draft. 12th pick for the draft goes to
Infamous Team 2 Chain.
the Quadriceps.
Quadriceps,
Number 12.
Ron Q. Alright. Number 11 goes to... I felt on her bibbies.
Felt on her bibbies, number 11.
That is Rob.
Alright, number 10. 10 pick.
10 pick. Diamonds up.
Basketball Addiction,
The Ig Band.
aka Mr. Salon Dannon. Number 10. So this is number 9.
Number 9 is probably going to go to Mr. Terracino.
Pack 1.
Pack 1, Rainier. Number 9.
Alright, here we go. Number 8.
8.
Number 8. Testes Takeover. Testes Takeover, number 8.
It's Melvin. 8. Alright, number 7. Let's see what we got here. Let's get number 7. Diamonds up.
Fuck.
7 pick. Woo, number 7.
Jeez. Alright.
I called it.
Number 6.
Oh. As long as I'm drafting ahead of you, that's all that matters. Fuck, number 6.
Alright, we only know Chuck. Number 6.
Alright.
Alright, so let's recap here. Alright. Got number 6, Billy Ho. Number 7, Diamonds Up. Number 8, Testes Takeover. Number 9, Pack 1. Number 10, Basketball Addiction. Number 11, I Felt on Her Bibbies. And number 12, Quadriceps.
Quadriceps. Alright, so.
Top 6 right here.
With the 5th pick here. Halftime Hennessy.
Time Henny,
VJ.
number 5. Number 4 pick. Alright, number 4 goes to 2 Chains,
Team Infamous.
Team Terracino, Daddy Daycare.
And number 3.
3,
Number 3 goes to Kenny Hardaway.
Kenny Hardaway.
I'm still gonna win it with the 6th pick.
Alright, number 2, aka the LeBron, Kevin Durant sweepstakes. Number 2 goes to Annihilator is an Aaron.
Alright, that means the number 1 pick goes to Team Gonads. Alright fellas, get your money in. You guys will get paid at the end of the season, unless I win, which I will win. Other than that, peace.
Peace.